The biggest recall win in retrieval isn't re-ranking. It's rewriting the question before it ever hits the index. Vague user queries starve vector and keyword search alike. A rewrite layer expands terms and decomposes compound questions. Teams see recall at 10 jump meaningfully on messy queries. This is for engineers building retrieval augmented generation on Azure. We'll dissect one reference design end to end. One piece hides a gotcha that quietly doubles latency. Here is the full pipeline in one diagram. The user query hits Azure OpenAI first for rewriting. It returns expanded terms plus decomposed sub-questions. Each variant fans out to Azure AI Search in parallel. Results merge, deduplicate, then feed the final answer model. We'll cover 3 things. 1. Expansion versus decomposition. 2. The fan-out and merge logic. 3. The failure mode that inflates cost and latency. These are 2 distinct jobs, not one. Expansion adds synonyms, acronyms, and related terms. It widens a single query to catch vocabulary mismatch. Decomposition splits a compound question into independent parts. Ask about pricing and uptime, and you get 2 sub-questions. Rule of thumb: expand short queries, decompose multi-part ones. A good rewriter decides which to apply, or does both. The rewrite itself is one structured call. Ask the model to return JSON, not prose. Force a schema with expanded terms and sub-questions. Use a low temperature for deterministic, parsable output. Keep the prompt tight and cap the number of variants. Parsing structured output is what makes the fan-out reliable. Now each variant queries Azure AI Search concurrently. Use async calls so latency tracks the slowest query, not the sum. Prefer hybrid search, vector plus keyword, with semantic ranking on. Every result carries its own relevance score. Merge all hits, then deduplicate by document identifier. Keep the highest score per unique chunk before answering. Here's the gotcha I promised. Uncapped decomposition explodes your variant count. 10 sub-questions means 10 searches and 10 times the cost. Latency and token spend balloon on ambiguous queries. Cap variants at 3 to 5 per request. Add a fast path. Skip rewriting for short, clear queries. Also handle malformed JSON by falling back to the original query. Every rewrite adds one model call before retrieval. That's roughly 200 to 500 milliseconds extra. You buy higher recall at the cost of latency and spend. A small, cheap model handles rewriting well. Reserve your larger model for the final answer. Measure recall at 10 before and after. If it doesn't move, skip the layer. Recap the design. Rewrite first, expand and decompose into structured variants. Fan out concurrent hybrid searches, then merge and deduplicate. Cap variants and add fallbacks to control cost. This layer helps most on vague, multi-part questions. Pricing and model names change, so check current Azure docs. Build the rewriter, then measure recall at 10 before you trust it. If this helped, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.